So, hello students, hope you all are doing well. Let's continue our JavaScript series, okay? And today we will gonna discuss about your vari variables in JavaScript, okay? So let me share my desktop screen and then we will continue our today lecture, okay? So the today topic is variables in JavaScript. Okay. So here what I had done in my previous lecture, I had simply created a demo.html file, and I had connected my JavaScript file from script src, and inside your src I had simply passed the path of my javascript file, that is demo.js, okay. And here my javascript file is present here, okay, that is demo.js, okay. So what we'll simply do that, we will write all the codes of our javascript onto our this javascript file, and we will run it through the our HTML file that is we had created here, okay, onto the browser, okay. So first of all, let me type display a simple message here, okay. So console dot log, I will display a simple message that is some our today topic is variables, okay. So variables, so if I declare here, let's take variables, okay, variables in javascript, okay. So our this is our today topic, okay. And if I will start the live server, if I will start the live server of my html page, okay, then I can uh, I will directly redirect it to my this the chrome browser, okay. And if I will right click onto it and goes to inspect, and then click on your console window, okay, then I know the message will prevent message will be printed, that is variables in javascript, okay. Variables in javascript. Now we will perform our task, okay. So let me just simply describe by this way, okay. So if I will click it here, okay, and now see. So our I know the today topic is variables in JavaScript, okay. So first of all, what is variables, okay? So variables is uh, guys, that if you had read about the maths concept, then in our mathematics, we will take in the variables like x is equal to 4, okay. We will simply let those values, okay, and those values can be changed, okay. Those values can be changed as well in the mathematics, okay. So your x is a kind of variables here, okay. Your x is a variable here, okay. So basically the uh, the thing which is can be changed, the thing which is can be changed, that is called the variables in your programming language, okay. So what I will do that, I will simply define a variable. I will simply define a variable in my JavaScript. Okay, and variable can be defined in the three ways. Variable can be defined in a three ways into your JavaScript. Okay, and those ways are let, okay, and const, and the third one is var, okay. So by using these three way, we are defining our variables, okay. So let's discuss one by one about these all three terms, okay. So first of all, let's take the var here, okay. So if I will write var x, means I had simply defined a variable that is x, okay. But what are the meaning of this var? Okay. So your var is a tra traditional method in your JavaScript. Means what I'm trying to say that when your JavaScript is being defined, so at that time we are using the var for the declaring your variables. Okay, and so if you have to simply define the variable by using your var, okay, so what you will do, var x is equals to 5, okay, var x is equal to 5, okay. So here you had simply assign the value that is 5 to your x variable, okay. And if you will print your variable x, okay, so what we will write console dot log, and inside your console log we will simply pass the x here, okay. Then we can see the 5 is being printed at your console tab, okay, into your browser, okay. So that is how you can define the variable by using your var keyword, okay. So here your var is a keyword that is predefined into your JavaScript, okay. But there is a limitation and a drawback of using your var keyword for defining your variables, and that limitation is, see, what here I had done that I had defined a variable x. I had simply defined a variable x, okay. And again at the next time I can again define a same variable, but I can assign the another values into it, okay. So the same variable with the different values, okay, different values. How is it possible? Because these two variables are the same. These two variable are same. That is x and x. But the values are different. How is it possible? In your same program, the same variable is containing the same values. This is not good practice, you know. Huh? So for and if here I will simply print your console and x, okay. So console dot log x, okay. Then you can see for the same variable x, there are two values is being printed at your screen, okay. So this is the not good thing because your single variable can have a single type of value only, okay. So for avoiding this kind of the drawback, there is a concept is being updated into your JavaScript that is let, okay. So for overcome the drawback of your var keyword, the let keyword is being defined into your JavaScript, okay. So now let's discuss about your let keyword. So let me comment out this, okay. So let, okay. So the basic concept of your let keyword, that is if you are defining any variable by using your let, then you can't again define the same variable with a different values, okay. So the basic aim is, key, if I will define a variable, let x is equal to 5, let's say, okay. Let x is equal to 5, okay. And if I will print it, okay, onto my console.log, okay, and x, then I can see the 5 will be the printed here, okay. The 5 will be the printed here, okay. 5 will be the printed onto my console tab, okay. But again if if I will try to declare the same variable but with the different values, then it will throws an error. See, can't re-declare the block of scope variable x, okay. Can't re-declare, okay. So your late is avoiding the declaration of the variables, okay. But the var is allow your declaration of your variables, okay. So this is the main difference between your let and var, okay. That is how your let is came into the JavaScript for the overcome the drawback of your var keyword. Okay, so you can't define the same variable name with the different parameters. Okay, it will throw the error in your let concept. Okay, that is why we are using the concept of your let in nowadays. Okay, most of the time we will try to simply avoid the using of your var keyword for defining your variables. Okay, we will try to generally use the let keyword for defining your variables. Okay, and this is about your let keyword. Okay, and now the third one is the third method is to defining your variables in JavaScript, and that is your const. Okay, so const, const. Okay, so your const variable. Okay, so what is this const variable? Okay, so the basic aim of using your const variable. Okay, okay, let's discuss the one more thing, that if you had defined your variable as of type let. Okay, if you had defined your variable as of type let, then you can update the value of your variable. You can simply update the value. Okay, but you can't define the variable again. You can update, but you can't define a variable again like this. Let x barabar 10. No, you can't do that, but you can update the value. You can change the value at a compile time, but you can't define a same variable with the same name again. This is the property of your x. And now if I will print the value of x, okay, so console.log, and now if I will print, then see the 10 will be printed onto your console. Okay, so this is the way you can define your variable as inlet. So now let's discuss about your const. Okay, make it comment out. Now let's discuss about the const. Okay, so if I will define any variable with the const keyword, if I will define any variable with the const keyword, then you the if you had simply assign the value to your variable, then you can't change or update to the value of that particular variable. Okay, this is the main property of your const keyword. Okay, that means you cannot cannot update the value. Okay, and also you can't redeclare redeclare the value as well. Okay, so this is the property of your const keyword. Okay, and now if I will print onto my console.log. Okay, so now x, and if I will run it, then see the file will be the printed onto your screen. Okay, file will be the printed onto your screen. So that is how you can define your variable as a type const as well. Okay, and one more thing, that is if you are trying to update the value of x here by using your 6, then you can't do that because your x is of type const. Okay, and if you will print it here, okay, console.log and then x. After that, if you will learn, then the type error is assigned to the const variable. See, it will throw an error. What are the errors? That is, you can't assign to the const variable. Okay, you cannot assign a value again, and if you are trying to simply uh, update the value of your const, then you can't do that. Okay, you can't do that. The value of your const variable is fixed. Okay, that is why it will throw an error. Okay, that is type error occur, and the assignment to the const variable is being performing. Okay, so this is all about your late constant here. Okay, so simply let's come discuss on a short basis, that is your hair is a very the traditional kind of method that is being used at a very beginning of your JavaScript. Okay, and if you are defining your variable with a var keyword, then you can redeclare your value again. Okay, so your var is allowing redeclaration redeclaration of variable. Okay, so this is about your var keyword. And if I will discuss about your the late, then your late is not allowing the declaration of variable. Okay, so if you are trying to define your variable again with a same name, but the value can be the different, then in that case it will not allow. Okay, because re-declaration is not being applicable into your let keyword. Okay, but yeah, you can change the value of your variable, or you can simply up, update the value of your variable, but you can't re-declare the value. Okay, so this is about your let and the const. If you had defining your variable as of a const. Okay, then you can't make changes again into your variable at any time, and also you can't redeclare the variable again. Okay, uh, that means if some variable is being defined as a type const, that means it will become a final kind of variable for your JavaScript. Okay, so this is all about your uh, variables in JavaScript. Okay, and in our next lecture, we will discuss about the data types in your variables. Okay, so till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day. Bye bye.